Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download MSCI Zenforce RTX 507012G7 2X OS driver. So this is guys graphic card. So how to download driver? Okay. So open any browsers to search to Google search box to enter the fully model number of the graphic card and then go to this msci.com. This is the official website, so we can download driver. So you can see this your driver, then extract, then click to support. So driver and driver download, there are so two type to install the driver, first automatic and second manual. So guys, I recommend to try to first automatic and then second manual. Okay, so if you are getting some issues in the automatic, then this. Okay, you just click to download, then click to download now. You can see here to download the setup. After that, yes, now this is the detect your graphic card and it will require driver install to your system. Okay, suppose if you are getting some issue in this process, so install to manual. So just click to sim manual, and it will show the model number. Okay, and select operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. After that, click to search. So you can see this is two type driver, which is gaming ready driver and second studio. Okay, so just click to download. After that, next to install it. Okay, all the driver installations process same, just click to download like that. It will start automatically. Okay, after that, click to download now. You can see this downloading. So after 4 to 5 minutes will complete it. I show you how to download. Okay, after that it is completed, just single click. Then this is NVIDIA packet launcher, then click to yes, then click to OK. Now this is extracting to data your system for the download the driver. This is process of the manual. Now this is detect your driver and next to install after, then restart your system. Okay, this is 5 step to complete. Thank you.